Mount the lower triple tree, replacing steering stem bearings. Tighten the nut. Install the upper triple tree and fix it temporarily. Don't lock it completely for now. If you install radial calipers, you need to replace the brake caliper mounts for the front shock absorber, available on the official website. The axial caliper can be installed directly. Match blue and red indicators for correct orientation. The shock is equipped with a scale for easy height adjustment. It is recommended to initially set it at the middle position and then observe whether the vehicle is level. Fine-tune height based on your wheel size and riding style, cruising or performance. Our front shock can be adjusted by hand without requiring any additional tools. Just twist the knob at the bottom. Clicks through 14 settings, 1 per turn. Adjust in 3-click increments based on rider weight plus cargo. Each side offers 12 clicks putts nice to your terrain and preference. Double check bolt torque, refer to manual. Take a test ride and readjust damping if needed. Shop fork accessories on our website.